In this video I will show you how you can recover deleted messages on your Messenger. So first of all we need to head over to our Facebook, and then once we head over to Facebook we can now click on our profile picture in the top right hand corner. Once we select that we can now click on the settings icon, and then once we are here what we can do is scroll down until we see the option for download your information. Click on this, that will then bring you over to this page where you can now click on request a download. Once you do that, you can then choose the profile that you want to request a download for. So I will just leave it on my Facebook profile right here. Click on next, and then what we can do now is go to select types of information. Once we select types of information, as you will notice, there is now an option for messages. So if we click on messages and then we go to the next option, that will then bring us to this page right here where we can choose a few different things. So we've got the format, you've got an option between HTML and JSON. And then what we can do then is go down to the media quality, so you can choose, low, medium or high. High will obviously take longer to download, but you can choose high if you want to do that. And then what we can do then is go to the date range. So the date range is very important. So when do you want to recover your messages from? You've got anywhere from the last week all the way to all time. So you can go ahead and make a custom date range, or you can choose from any of the presets right here. So for the sake of the video, I will just select last week, click on save, and then we can now select submit request. Once we select submit request, that will then send a request over to Facebook. It should only take a couple of minutes to get the request and get the download in your download section. And then as you will notice, under that there is now available downloads for me, and what I can do is click on the download button. Click on download. That will then go ahead and download all of your messages, and you can now extract it right here. So click on extract. Once you've clicked extract, you can then go to your activity across Facebook, click on messages, and then you can go ahead and go to any of your conversations right here. So for example, if I just select message requests, click on this one right here, click on the message HTML, open it up, and then as you will notice, you will be able to see all of the messages that are inside the message that you do select. So it's just that simple. It will give you all the timestamps, the date, and everything like that. So that's how you can go ahead and recover your deleted messages on Messenger.